Health concerns at offices occupied by workers of the Solicitor General's office have resulted in a $16 million increase in rental costs to the government. The increase was highlighted and discussed when the Ministry of Justice faced the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee of Parliament (PAAC) this morning. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
The $16 million increase in rental costs for the Justice Ministry was presented in the Ministry's report to the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee (PAAC). The increase comes in spite of the recent acquisition of an office complex at 61 Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew. Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Justice, Carol Palmer, points out that not all departments will be moved to the new facility, and so the Solicitor General's department still functions out of the NCB North Tower. This raised concerns for PAAC member Leslie Campbell, as the rental bill for the 2017-18 period has now increased to $73.6 million, up from $57.3 million the previous year.
Is this increase projected to come into 18-19, where you have an additional percentage increase in the cost of rental?
The ministry's short answer is yes, as the Solicitor General's department is now seeking to leave the NCB Tower to rent a new location.
We've been having challenges with what members of staff term foul odors, which come up from time to time at the NCB North Towers. So on a regular basis, we have had to ask staff to go to the outside to await the dissipation of the odors.
She says the matter has been an issue for several years, and despite consultations with environmental agencies, the cause of the smell has not been identified, so the problem has not been fixed. It's forced the ministry to seek housing for the department's operations elsewhere.
Indeed, we have been advised of at least one possible location on Duke Street, which we were told could be ready in say 2 months. So we just have to continue our internal. No, not the Jamaica building.
The Duke Street property proposes a lower rental cost. However, there will be additional costs, including security and janitorial services. While approval for that property has not been finalized as yet, the ministry says it has been given the assurance that it will be ready for accommodation within 2 months. Herman Green, TVJ News.